Add a Gigabit Ethernet port to your MacBook or Chromebook or tablet. USB Ethernet NIC network adapter with silver finish in sleek aluminum design. Native driver support, Windows, Mac, Chrome OS. USB network adapter with Realtek RTL8153 chip. USB powered for easy portability. Engineered with a quality aluminum housing in a silver finish, the network adapter is the perfect companion for your MacBook, Chromebook or tablet. Compact and portable, this USB network adapter is the ideal laptop accessory. You don't have to carry a power adapter with you to use it, because it's powered directly from the host USB port. Ideal for office or home use, the USB 3.0 network adapter supports full gigabit bandwidth by harnessing the performance of USB 3.0, 5 gigabits per second. You can quickly access very large files over a gigabit network, saving valuable time every day. The Realtek chipset gives you the assurance of reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and great support. This device has been working great for almost 2 years. It stopped working and I contacted the company for support. We were able to connect remotely. Installing the new drivers fixed everything, so there was nothing actually wrong with the device.